Hey you guys, it's Marianne, and I'm just concerned about this essay that I assigned, so I just wanted to make a few more comments. So this week is a lot of reading and a lot of annotations. You got two assignments only. One is to watch a video. Well, you have more than that, but before you jump into the essay, just get this stuff out of the way first. It's a 20-minute TED Talk about our education system, and then just reply. So that's on the discussion board. Again, the first response is due Friday, and then responding to peers is due Sunday. Okay, so then the plagiarism lesson and game. So we have a lot of this stuff going on, and then there's a game afterwards, and you just have to upload the screenshot to the Dropbox, which is awesome. So if you're really into it, these games are actually really fun, and there's a few videos too, so if you're into it. Okay, so then jump into the main points you're going to need to do this week, and I would not wait. I would please jump in. Read this text. It is about, I don't have it right here, but I think it's like 11 pages. Take notes. Figure out what he is actually trying to say. He is instructing you to do exactly what we're going to be doing with these essays. You're going to pull the screen, pull the curtain, just like Wizard of Oz. You're going to pull the curtain out from behind the the guy who's doing all the work in the back. I don't know what his name is, but you get to see the inner workings of what's going on. And that's, you're going to pull the sheet back and take a look and see what choices this writer had and what choices he chose to include or do. And that's what you're going to be doing on these essays. So read this first. And then you're going to have to figure out what kind of theme, what kind of text you want to read. These are pretty involved. They're pretty high-level reading, but choose two. Choose any two. Any two. I don't know what else to say. And then you're going to compare these two and how they attack their subject. And so after you choose two in one topic area, then you're going to go back here and you're going to identify what you want to talk about. Do you want to talk about how she or he presents themselves as an authority? How is that author addressing their audience? Or how does the genre affect the reader's perception or buy-in to the content? So again, three things you're going to do. Read this, make annotations. Then choose two texts. Read those and do heavy annotations. And then, based on, actually, your annotations will most likely lead you to one of these three things. And then again, what kind of annotations? Yes, you can certainly do the kind of annotations that I've been teaching you all, teaching you all along. But what do you notice? Which you'll actually, from reading Mike Bunn's How to Read Like a Writer, you'll know what kind of annotations to make. You'll ask yourself, what kind of choices could he or she have made? What did they make? What choices did they make? You'll see. Do what Mike Bunn is telling you to do, and then you will have enough content, believe me, enough content to write about one of these three things. I know I went on. I don't mean to. I don't want you guys waiting until the last minute. Working thesis, I'll have more about that. I would not worry about that. I would just remember what Rob taught you last semester. Use what you can and give me a working thesis, and we'll tweak it when you turn it in. I do want to see the annotations and the brainstorming of all three articles, and then the rough outline is going to be due Tuesday. So again, don't rush. Do it ahead of time. Take your time. Turn off your phone. Just put your mind to it. It is going to take some higher level thinking. All right, you guys. Hope you have a great day.